Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Dave's Kitchen. Okay, today, quick, simple, easy recipe that we've been making for years. I give credit back to my aunt and Alice who taught me this one, over 10, 15 years ago. It's a combination of, you got Miracle Whip. I know a lot of you guys hate it. I hate the stuff by itself, but it works amazing with this recipe. I've got some mayonnaise, a little bit of granulated garlic, and you want some Parmesan cheese. This happens to be a 4 blend of Parmesan cheese. What is this? Got provolone, assaggio, romano, and Parmesan cheese. You're going to use that. Basically, what we're going to do is you mix it up. This is about a cup of each with 1 capful of the granulated garlic. Mix it up really good, okay? Then we're going to go ahead and add about 5 ounces of this cheese in here. Mix it up. But what are we going to do with it? That's the key element. Well, come over here, I'll show you. I've got a small little baking dish here of some thawed out chicken breast that I seasoned up. A little bit of garlic, some black pepper, white pepper, just different seasonings you want. And I got a loaf of French bread I cut in half. That's right. What are you going to do with this stuff? You're actually going to put it on some French bread as well. Make amazing garlic cheese bread with it, okay? But you're also going to take that and put it on your chicken, okay? So let's go ahead and take this. We're gonna mix this thing up. We're just gonna dump the container in it because you want it kind of like pasty, okay? Because you gotta spread that on there. Let me go ahead and get a fork, which I don't have out. Sorry about that, guys. I know this is like yum. And we're just gonna mix it up really good. It smells really good. Oh yeah, but you know, Crazy Dave, I love cheese. Now you also saw, maybe a glimpse of it, that I have a bag of some shredded cheese off to the side. And that's gonna be kind of like to use at the end when you coat it all up, okay? And see how it's kind of really thick? That's the kind of texture you want here, okay? Now what we're gonna do is take this texture, we're gonna come on over here, and we're gonna take it and throw it on your chicken. Now you know I'm not touching the chicken because I'm gonna actually use the same spatula for my bread, okay? So what I wanna do is spread it on the bread first. And just give it a nice, good coat. And remember, I put that garlic in here, so it's already in that mix. And just spread it on here nice and good. And you want it pretty much as much as you can on the edges, okay? Because you don't want the edges to dry out. Okay. Now, you got that one coated. We're gonna coat the other side. As far as, the brands, you can use, the Hellman, you can use Kraft, you can use whatever brand that you like, whatever's cheapest in the store. I don't think it really matters. I know some of you guys are really loyal to this brand, which we don't have out here in California. At least I haven't seen it, called Duke's. You guys talk about it all the time. Haven't seen it. All right. So you see how good that's coated, and I still got a little bit left. Okay. Again, try to coat as much as you can on the bread. That's good. All right. Now that we're done with the bread, we're going to take the rest of this and put it in your chicken. Okay, now get rid of that. Take this, and now you're going to spread it evenly on your bread. I mean, on your chicken. Duh, bread. Yeah, right. All right, there's your chicken. And just kind of, coat it up. All right. Now, what we're going to do next, let's get rid of this, is we're going to go ahead and throw it into the grill. Now the bread, don't do anything with it yet. Leave it out or put it in your refrigerator, kind of let it chill out for a little bit, but cook the chicken now. I'm going to throw it on my grill at 225. I'm going to keep checking the temperature about every hour or so, making sure it gets to the safe level of 165. Until then, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay guys, so a few hours later, I pulled the chicken out of the grill. Take a look at this. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, now you're going to finish it up with, remember that shredded cheese right here? You're just going to take it and drizzle a little bit of cheese on it. Okay, and if it's really still hot, it will melt. This has been out for a little bit. I kind of let it cool down a little bit. But worst case scenario, put it back in the oven a little bit, melt the shredded cheese. Okay, now come over here, and remember that garlic bread that we made earlier? I threw that in the grill, so it's kind of got a little bit of smoky flavor to it. But look how beautiful that looks. You're just gonna cut it up into slices, and that's gonna be your cheesy garlic bread. Guys, this is such a simple, easy meal to make for you. Anybody can make this. You saw how I put it together. Go ahead and make it yourself. It's absolutely amazing. Well, until next time, be safe. Crazy Dave, I'm out.